Hi and welcome. It's Martine here. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of our Christmas planner for those of you that still need a little bit of help with organisation. Let's just have a quick look. It's 100 pages. I think there's over 1,500 hyperlinks, so you can certainly get into all the things that you need to get into. If I could just show you the functionality of it, there's a 2-page index, and you can see here, everything here is hyperlinked. You can see the little hand changes. So this is a PDF document that you can use on any annotation app. It works with Goodnotes in portrait mode. It works on any of your Eink devices like reMarkable, also like the BOOX, all the Onyx BOOX devices, the Kindle Scribe, Supernote, all of them. You can use it in Notes Plus, Goodnotes. It works for any annotation app. So you've got, let's just have a look with your calendars. If we just skip to the calendars, everything here is also hyperlinked. So when I've created a done for you timeline, so you can actually work I know we're past, November now, but this is a timeline to help you set up to know what you need to do in everything, when to go shopping, when to start your prep work, all of those things. That's a done for you suggested schedule. There's some checklists, a few different pages of checklists to help you. There's a couple of undated calendars, both Sunday start and Monday start. And then there's 2023 and there's also 2024. And normally in June each year, I update all of my calendars. So this will also have 2025 in it. You can go back in once you've purchased it and download the new one, and anything else that I've updated in there, you can just grab it then. So with the budget, you've got different checklists and trackers for food, decor, gifts, for savings, and also for your summary. So we'll just have a look at those. Your food budget, you can tick them off as you go. That's your apps, entree, main, dessert, your snacks, treats and beverages, and your miscellaneous. Your decor budget, your gifts budget, you can keep a note of all your savings, and your budget summary as well. So that's that. Your gifts checklists, I'm such a gift giver myself. I love it. So you can totally write down. We do lists in our family. We always get everybody's gift list. A little tongue-tied on that one. So you can also, I've got here the template for your Christmas wish lists. There's a couple of those, and also your stocking stuffer ideas. We've got an order tracker, like a lot of us order online, one of my favorite ways to shop, and then your Christmas boxes. So that's really cool. And just a quick side note, you can actually chop this PDF up into templates, make a copy of it on your computer, not on your reMarkable, not so easy on your Goodnotes, a little bit fiddly. But you can do it on your computer and use it. But the hyperlinks, then that situation changes. But if you just want the templates, you can also, it can do double duty for that. So decor, we've got theme ideas for you here. You can actually make a note of all the themes that you've got for, and in each room, like we decorate several rooms, so you can make a note of what sort of a theme you're going to do for the year. You can keep an inventory and make a wish list as well with the checklists in here, and also keep a note of the different stores that have got sort of the stuff that you like. So, and just remember, you can duplicate pages and do all of that. With the menus, this is a really big section, so you can plan your meals out, plan your grocery lists, and then there's 10 pages of that you can keep recipes specially for Christmas. Then we've got some prep and cook schedules for different things: Christmas cake, Christmas condiments, Christmas treats, Christmas Eve, and of course planning your cooking days, which is really, and your Christmas Eve, and whenever you go ahead and do that cooking. Then we get to the activities section. Just one moment. So in the activities section, we've made some suggestions for some traditions indoors, some traditions outdoors. You can make a list of your own and your families, and also any community events that are on for you that you guys want to participate in. Then there's the Christmas card lists, and you've got a couple of pages for that, and then you can design your own Christmas card. Pardon me, and there's some suggestions for where you can get that printed all over the world. There are some very common places where you can have that done. Now, if you are traveling, I've included a travel itinerary for you and some prompts here so that you can fill out and get all of your information on one sheet, which is really handy. A packing list. And then there's also 5 days of schedules that you can write what day is where, and also you can plan everything that you're going to do. Cleaning, we've got 4 checklists for you in this section with a lot of suggestions on one sheet, then some cleaning and organisation suggestions, a suggested done for you timeline, and then your own schedule that you can fill out for that. Christmas Day, look, once you've done all that planning, I think there's 9 sections of planning for you. Then there's the actual Christmas Day, and here it is. What is your schedule going to be, and what sort of music and movie playlists have you got going on? And then there's the wrap up, from Christmas. It's nice to reflect, and it's also a good time to just think about some self-care. So there's some pages here and some prompts to ask you your thoughts on Christmas and some self-care ideas. And then it's nice to actually just go, okay, what went well? What did I learn? What didn't go well? And then there's a note from me and my contact details if you need to get hold of me over in the different places. So we actually have that planner over in our Etsy shop. I'll just show you that. It's over here, and you can there's a video, but we just skip the video. There's the thumbnails, which can show you just a sampling of the different pages, the different sections, all the planning that goes on before Christmas Day. And then, how the indexes work with all the hyperlinks, and then what goes on after Christmas Day, and how you can look after yourself in that space too. And of course, there I've got a couple of some information here for you as well. If you need some one-to-one support, or you want to hop into our membership for creating your own templates, there's some information there. QR codes are really cool. You can just hover over the QR code with your what's it called? Your camera. Hello, Martine, get it right. Hello. And it will take you straight to the web page for it. So I hope that was helpful. I wish you a very Merry Christmas. I hope that for whatever your traditions are and whatever you've got going on, that you share it with your loved ones, and that you have a beautiful, heartfelt time for Christmas, and it's very special for you. So this is me and my family wishing you and yours a very, very Merry Christmas.